Folks, as you can see, the old whippersnipper's been on the move. We've got a bit of cleanup done on the backyard here. You can see a lot of the high grass is gone. You can see the trail a little more clearly. Now, of course, it'll have a little bit of debris because I just did it. But I think it's looking pretty good. As I walk along here, you can see I've got a few obstacles. A couple old bodies that I found kicking around is up there on the hills. Keep on walking by. Lovely little spot, really. Today, got the old red Jeep truck out. Another nice rig. I do enjoy it. Sometimes I feel it doesn't look quite the part, but you know, with those homemade rims on there, WRANGLER tires, and she still runs pretty good. So guys, I think it's going to be a fun run here. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button for me, and as always, subscribe for more. The steering is a little weak in this one, I'm finding. So we're going to have a look at that. Other than that though, she seems to do things pretty well. And honestly, she runs pretty well considering we're doing the old AX5. Here she goes. Let's go try another one. Oh, maybe let her go. There she goes. All right, let's go to the next one. Well, let me know what you think, guys. I think she's doing great. Oh yeah, keep forgetting about that hole. The leaves cover it. Now let's see how we make it up this hill. Let's go this way. Not a friend. Here she goes. Oh, baby. Catch it. There it is. Perfect. Some victims of the weed whacker. Still lots of debris and stuff around here as that kind of dries up, or you know, and stuff blows away. It'll clean up better. But guys, this is a pretty fun little spot to play on. Let's try it again. There it goes. Now, this time I think we'll just go on. Folks, if you made it this far, you know I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed another little run on the backyard trail. If you did, hit that like button for me. And you know, this is kind of what I'm all about. I love playing around with these trucks, getting out to all the great spots, and having fun with them. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Have a good one. Thanks again for watching. Show me up now.